but this pie tastes good. This pie was legit delicious. It wasn't too American style sweet potato pie with a difference. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be making a sweet potato pie. I am Jamaican. It's almost Thanksgiving and your girl is experimenting as always in the kitchen. Subscribe, hit your notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment and give the video a like. Let me know where you're watching from. Started out by washing and peeling my sweet potatoes. Then I'll be boiling them. You all know how to boil sweet potatoes, right? Peeling them with my knife because that's my business. And I'll be boiling these until they are tender. This took roughly 20 minutes to cook. I'll be using 2 eggs. I use a little sugar, not a lot because the potatoes are already sweet. So I use a little sugar, a little condensed milk, and a little brown sugar as the sweetener. Cinnamon, vanilla extract, lots of nutmeg, lots of cinnamon. Taste as you go. Now I pulled some milk to add to this, but listen, this was too mushy and soft. It did not need any milk for me. I really don't like soft foods, specifically sweet potato. No, it needs a little body, so I did not add milk to it. Your girl tasted it and it tastes like it needed more cinnamon. Taste as you go. Once I finished mixing, yes, I bought a store pie crust. Don't come for me. Yes, pinch the edges to get a little style on the end if you prefer, or if you prefer it flat. Quick and easy. Then you pour your pie filling in this. And listen, I totally forgot to show you how I did it in the oven. I baked this at 350 degrees and it took 1 hour 20 minutes to bake. Okay, so if you missed that part, I did it in my oven 350 degrees and it took 1 hour 20 minutes. Right then and there, the girl pie ready and it have a nice looking crust top. Yes, and further down I added some marshmallow on this, added it back in the oven. But listen, my pie was pine, American style pie. I normally purchase them to give away during Thanksgiving. Never tried it for myself. I did this time and I can tell you that it came out good. I totally forgot to taste this, so you see, so wait to the end. I'm chatting on the side while I'm vlogging. Wait for it. It came out good. It looked really delicious, really good. It really came out. I'm proud of myself. Wait for it. Hey guys, so it's late at night and I totally forgot that I did not do a taste test of the pie while I was vlogging. So I warmed a piece of my pie to come show you and give you my best result. And listen, Jamaica sweet potato, I prefer it to the US style sweet potato, but this pie tastes good. This pie was legit delicious. It wasn't too watery. I did not add milk in it, but it tastes good. Doing it for the first time, it was good, and I want to make sure I show you that I tried some, because you all think I cook and I don't eat. I am taste testing this. Lots of friggin' calories. Yes, but I'm tasting it to show you. It's nice. You can have it with ice cream. I added marshmallow on it too. The test was good. Everyone enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe if it's on Facebook or YouTube. Follow me on either platforms. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you.
To create